Hey guys, back here with Food with the First Lady, and we are making some caramel cake. Now, yes, I know that there are many people who make caramel cake the old-fashioned way, and I love it. And I know you guys do too. Love caramel cake because it's just delicious. So some people take sugar. You can put it in a black skillet and you just keep turn it on just in a dry black skillet, and you just keep on as it turns brown, and then you add other stuff to it, and that's a great way to do things. But what we're doing today on Food with the First Lady is the easy, quick caramel frosting. So generally when I take food to people, it's not something I plan, because someone passes away, go right to the kitchen and start cooking. Or you hear somebody has a baby, you're like, oh, she had that baby today? Or she had it yesterday? I didn't even know. Let me go see what I've got in the pantry. This is made with all pantry ingredients with the exception of a little milk, which most of us have milk. So what we're gonna do first is to take a stick of butter. Now guys, it cannot be margarine. It's gotta be butter. Regular, full fat butter. So what we're gonna do is we take the butter, a half a cup of dark brown sugar, and a half a cup of light brown sugar, and we're gonna bring that in our saucepan to a boil over medium heat. Now I have made this, you know, sometimes I have dark brown sugar, sometimes I don't. Now I do try to keep it for this recipe because it gives a depth of flavor to this caramel because it has more molasses in it than light brown sugar. Now you know that all brown sugar is just molasses mixed with regular white sugar. Now I have seen videos of people making brown sugar, you know, in a mixer, just putting molasses in with regular sugar. I've never done that, but I'd like to sometime. I guess I would if I lived out in the country where everything wasn't readily available, but it is here. All right, so way we do this, as I said, again, we've got a stick of butter and we have a cup of brown, light brown, and half a cup of dark brown. Now, what we're gonna do, it's just so quick. We're gonna bring that to a boil, and that has it's come to a little boil. I'm gonna let it come to a rolling boil here. Yeah, I believe it's about there. Okay, now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of whole milk. I have made it with 2% milk, and it does make, but I am making it today. They prefer whole milk. So I put the 1/4 of a cup of whole milk in there. I'm bringing it back to a boil. You see it's on a boil? There it is. See how it's boiling up? Okay, I'm gonna take that off the stove, turn my stove off, bring it back. I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and 2 cups of powdered sugar that has been sifted. Now, very important for the powdered sugar to be sifted so that it won't leave white lumps. All right, so we're gonna quickly, this is gonna harden quickly. So we're gonna quickly stir this with our whisk until all the lumps are gone. Meanwhile, I already made a couple of small pans of cake batter. I divided them into 2 different pans so I can carry this to a couple different people. And look how easy this is, guys. I'm just gonna pour this over. Cake number 1 and cake number 2. Now guys, this is gonna harden quickly. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go around and make sure that covers everything. Now of course, guys, if it doesn't cover everything, we're good. All right, this is gonna cover, I've almost got all of this done. All right, well, let me get this corner, and then I'm almost through with my quick caramel icing. Look at there, right, that little corner needs a little bit. Let's see if we can put this over. I'm almost finished with the caramel icing. There we are. What's that? Oh, that's a little piece of brown from my dark brown sugar that didn't get There we go. Quick. Caramel frosting
Hey, Mama.
for the next person.
Mama,